Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Rocket Money tools to build an emergency fund. So here's a breakdown. Rocket Money makes savings for emergency easier by showing you exactly where your money goes so you can cut wasted spending and put that cash into savings. So the best method is to use the spending overview, subscription or recurring charge you no longer need, then cancel them right in the app. That free up money every month. And the next thing to do is to turn on the budget alert so you can stay under your spending limit and avoid dipping into your emergency fund. Use the Go or the automatic savings tools to set a target and let Rocket Money move small amount into savings regularly without you thinking about it. Over time, those small amount of money add up very fast. Then you can use it for emergency fund or something really okay or really cool. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section what your savings emergency fund is up for. And that's it.